Hi friends, this is Manjunath and welcome back to my channel. Last episode of Mona Lisa, we have broken the mystery of the person in that painting. If you are seeing this video first, please click the link on the description. This video is all about Mona Lisa part 2, and in this video we are going to speak about why does her smile change us according to the angle we look at from. Is there any coded message hidden in this painting? If yes, what it is? Why there is an alien picture in this painting and why it was not observed since past 5 centuries. In this episode we are going to break all these mysteries. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Why are smile changes? What is the technique used by Da Vinci in changing the smile of Mona Lisa? Scientists in Sunderland University organized a survey along with hundreds of volunteers and declared that when the painting of Mona Lisa viewed from a distance, she seems to be happy, and when viewed from a direct angle, her mouth seems to be little bit towards down. Why? Because Da Vinci had used a technique called fumato technique, and in these techniques, definite outlines would not be there in the painting. As been told by many of the scientists, these outlines are made by blending of different colors. As we know that there is no one who can be compared equal to Da Vinci throughout the history. He is a universal genius and extraordinary intelligent person. Please do watch my last video to know more about him. The technique called fumato technique could not be used as perfectly as Da Vinci did in any paintings by anyone. Mona Lisa's smile is not unique because even in the painting called La Bella Principessa, Da Vinci used this technique before Mona Lisa. And when these both smiles have been compared, it has been understood that this smile is just a visual illusion. Mona Lisa's smile changes from the viewpoint of our look. Like suppose if we focus on the eyes of Mona Lisa, she looks smiling, and when immediately if we see her lips, that smile disappears. That is why this smile is also called uncatchable. So Mona Lisa's smile is nothing but fumato technique done perfectly by Da Vinci. And now coded message is the next question in this mystery. Da Vinci is a professional in hiding codes and messages in his paintings. Even in Da Vinci's last super painting, it has been told by many historians that Jesus' bloodline information might have been hidden in it. When we come back to our topic, the left part of Mona Lisa is most interesting part in this painting. Why? Because by using ultra-high-end microscope focusing on different color shades on that painting, then some letters have been found. If those letters are chronologically formed, La risposta si trova qui was the result. It means the answer lies here in Italian. Many tried to decode it, but no one could get the answer. Recently, Paranormal Crucible, a popular website, has done one more experiment. They have mirrored the Mona Lisa painting's left side and joined together in computer. And when the ultra digital details can be done, then an issue has come up which would curious the world around us. Yes, there was a big alien picture which came out as a result, because of which a new mystery came up. Da Vinci, who wrote that the answer lies here, and an alien picture coming out in that same part, has created a new mystery and a big question mark in our minds. Is everything a coincidence, or Da Vinci willingly hid message about aliens in this painting? Time has to confirm. In the year 2010, letters CE were found in the left eye of Mona Lisa and letters LV in the right eye. Nobody could explain the meaning of those letters. Apart from this, there are many questions on this painting. The most important are only two. 7 and 2 were found from the bridge behind the Mona Lisa in the painting, by which it has been confirmed that this bridge has been constructed on 1472 in North Italy in a place called Bobbio. Many people think that Da Vinci had not done eyebrows to Mona Lisa, but in digital scans, painting strokes have been found, which Da Vinci used in that painting. That means Da Vinci had done eyebrows to Mona Lisa, but due to time and poor cleaning techniques, it has been vanished. And to know expressions of Mona Lisa, one emotion recognizing software has been invented, and it was thought that Mona Lisa is 83% happy, 9% frustrated, 6% scared, 2% angry and 1% neutral. With what purpose did Da Vinci did this painting? And one more thing is that coded message for humans or for aliens. Only time would reveal it. People who are researching since many years on this painting have been told one thing. Da Vinci himself would have been an alien hybrid. Why? Because a person of such high intelligence was never found in this history. Well, this is all about today's video and thanks for watching.